In this tutorial, we will see that how you can create and add watermark to photo in Canva in just few easy steps. So let's dive right in. For the first step, after opening up your Canva, and here's an image. Now on the left side, you will find here these sum of options to add watermark. Click on that text and it will show you this default text styles. You can select this first one and here it is. You can simply write your watermark here like I'm writing easy and pro. Now it's in black color. We have to change it to white. Simply select it and on the header, you will find here this text color option. If you click on it, you will be able to select these colors. Click on that white. It will be turned into white. Here it is. And now you can also resize it if you want. And now to decrease this transparency, select this text and click on this transparency and change it 40 or 50. Here it is. Now to make a copy of it, click on it and here you will get this duplicate option. You can make its duplicate by just clicking on that icon like this and drag it down. This was the first method to add watermark in text form. Now if you have a watermark in image, scroll it down from left side and here you'll get this uploads option. Click on it. Again click on that upload files and then select your watermark. So in case if it's our watermark, we will select it and click open. It will start uploading here. Now to add this watermark in this image, simply click on that watermark. It will automatically apply here. Now you can simply resize it and drag it where you want. So that's how you can create and add watermark to photo in Canva in just few steps.